Welcome to day number 3. Yay! Woohoo! We have made it to day number 3. If you are watching this video, then you are definitely serious about staying healthy and enjoying your holidays and enjoying your vacation, living in the and world. Check out my background. Are you getting excited about your holiday or your vacation? I am getting excited about mine that's coming up. I cannot wait. So today is day number 3. Did you check in yesterday? So if you haven't already, check in with me to let me know how you did on your 5 healthy habits. So our water, our veggies, our moving, our sleep, and our celebrating. So forget inspiration, forget motivation. Habits are the key to lasting change. And when we focus on our healthy habits, that's when we see the change happen. So, Octavia Butler, she's the one who said that about forgetting inspiration, habits are more dependable. So that's why we are creating these healthy habits that we can take anywhere. We can put them in our suitcase and we can take them on our holiday. We can take them on our vacation. And so each day they become easier to do. At the beginning, it might seem overwhelming, but as you do them, they will get easier. And so if you're not on vacation right now, taking time to solidify these habits, getting them in the groove, and then by the time you go on your vacation, it's just like brushing your teeth and you've already got them. You're just like, yes, I've got those healthy habits. So just know as you are making changes in your life, there's automatically opposition that comes your way. If you're like, I want to reach this goal, opposition, 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 that is normal. And so, looking at it, taking a step back and saying, how is this possible? How can I do this? Because, just like we talked about that quote from Henry Ford, whether we believe we can, we believe we can't, we are right. And so, um, finding ways, finding solutions, and as things come up that you're like, oh, I could never do that, or that's not possible, thinking of solutions and possibilities to overcome. So today we're going to talk about nutrition. We've already talked about our habits. We've talked about sugars. Today we're going to talk about nutrition. So when I ask people what are roadblocks when you're going on vacation, and a lot of times we throw out all the healthy habits on vacation, but this time is going to be different. This time we can create healthy habits and enjoy our holiday and enjoy our vacation. And so with our nutrition, I have several tips. So grab your pen and a notebook. So just as we've been doing, you want to drink your water first. When you sit down to eat, you want to order water first, even if you love, like I love pina coladas, strawberry daiquiris, alcohol free for me. And when I get those, I will always order a water first. So drinking your water first and also drinking water before you eat, that's going to make a big difference. Getting your veggies in, so ordering veggies every time you eat, every meal, getting as many veggies as you can. Also, if you are staying at someone's house, you can offer to bring the veggies. You can offer to bring some extra veggies and add them to the meals that you're staying at. So the next thing is talking more and eating less. I love talking to my family and friends and being there in the moment on the vacation. So when you are there, you can talk more and eat less, just enjoying the social setting of eating out with your family and friends. Also, chewing 30 to 35 times. I know this is a little bit crazy. I heard this tip and I tried to do it because it does help you digest your food if you're chewing your food more times. I do think 30 to 35 times is kind of a lot, but you can try it and it's a good goal to shoot for. So chewing your food a lot will help you eat less and it helps your food digest easier. So the last tip is having our dessert daily, as I've been talking about in this challenge. This is something that's helped me personally with my sugar cravings, my energy levels, and keeping my nutrition. And as a probably TMI, it helps you be more regular on vacation. If you feel clogged sometimes on vacation, having this will help you, having your dessert daily. So you can have the dessert as energy balls, you can make it into a pie, you can have it in a smoothie. It's a really simple way, especially if you have a super busy job as well. you can have this on the go, and it really helps you to get those nutrients in your body, having something healthy that tastes good, and it's your daily dessert. If you want more info about this, I am so excited about having this dessert daily during my regular life and during my holidays. I'm going to show you how I personally have it in my daily life and on holidays and vacations. So stay tuned for info on our upcoming dessert daily challenge. This is a 3-week dessert daily challenge where you will get your daily nutrients in a dessert daily, and I'll give you lots of fun ideas on how to do it. And also, it comes with me as your personal coach. So if you enjoyed this challenge and you're like, I love this challenge, this was a good boost for me, but I want some more. So then you'll have me as your personal coach, where I send you a daily text. We set up a weekly phone call, and we have accountability groups. Because the key to success is really having that accountability. I can give you all of the tips, all of the things, but then when we go on our own, a lot of times it's hard to stay consistent. Raise your hand if you have that problem. So it's helpful to surround yourself with like-minded people who are working on similar goals and having a guide to help you along the way. So I would love to be your guide. I'd love to be your coach to help you along the way. So I give you simple workouts to do and simple meal plans and accountability every single day, plus our dessert daily. So stay tuned for more info on that coming up. Congratulations on completing this 3-day challenge. I hope it was helpful, and I can't wait to hear about your upcoming holiday or vacation. Have a fantastic time, and I'll talk to you soon.